guys, ayan, ito ako guys. Napakainit ng panahon natin guys. Napakaganda. Oh, as you can see guys, very blue. Ayun, oh. So wala talagang maganap na ulan. It's very good naman guys kasi paalis ako. Good weather, maganda to no, yung labas sana guys. Ayan. Kaso hindi ako nakalaba guys. Ay gosh. Sabi ko bukas na lang ako maglaba kasi maglakad kasi ako. I feel busy na guys, pati pagod na din pag maglaba and then maglakad pa. So kailangan iba-ibahin talagang schedule guys, everyday. So yun ang update ko guys, I'm going out pala guys. Mainit. So makalabas ako guys, usually tanghali na din talaga no kasi yun matapos ako sa feeling busy ko guys. Tsaka pa ako maglabas. Ang update natin guys, palabas tayo. Buti na lang nag-init kasi mamili lang tayo guys kahit papano. So yun lang, thank you so much for watching guys. Have a blessed day everyone. Very fresh dito guys, diba? Feeling fresh tayo dito guys. So I hope kayo dyan, you have a nice day everyone and a great day ahead. Keep safe. Bye everyone. Guys, mag-vlog na ako guys kasi walang init. Hindi tayo nakapayong. So it feel fresh guys dito. Actually, ang update natin guys for today's video, tayo ay maglabas. Going out si Sis Joanne guys. Saan ba talaga ako dito? Yung walang init. Ayan. Tanghalian na naman tayo guys ang lakad. So, basta ano yung oras ng feel free ko guys. Yun pa ako tayo makalabas. So kayo dyan, how are you today guys? Mainit na naman. Everyone, kumusta kayo? I hope your day is good and everything is wonderful. So yun ang update natin guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much for watching. Yun lang guys. See you next again. Have a blessed day. Bye!